Exuding the atmosphere and flavours of the Orient, Shanghai Me offers a unique dining experience. This stunning 1930s Art Deco-style restaurant in Dubai's financial district has been voted one of the best in the region. So much so, it's even attracted royalty, celebrities and sports stars.
Chef, thanks for having us here today. So, what are you going to cook me?
We're going to cook black cod. Okay, we're going to first start by preparing the black cod. We will rinse it in salt water and then we will steep it in miso and we'll be cooking it on our robata grill. It's one of those dishes that is a must. Now we're going to cut the portions.
So I see in your menu that you have here, you have some very traditional Oriental dishes. How do you put a modern twist?
Lots of reading, seeing what other chefs are doing, listening to the guys in the kitchen or the girls in the kitchen as well. They come up with some great ideas. I'm going to steep the cod in water just to get rid of any of the scales. So we drop that in there for about 30 minutes.
And what are you hoping to see?
A nice white, clean piece of cod. Next step is to steep it in the miso. This is fermented soybean paste. We mix with granulated sugar, sake and mirin, and we will now steep the cod. Sugar gives it its sweet flavour, the miso gives it its umami flavour, and the sake and the mirin, well, it gives it a nice little kick. That's it, that's it. Now we're going to refrigerate this for 48 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the next step?
The next step, we're going to skewer these pieces of cod that have been steeped in miso for the last 2 days, and we will grill them.
We're coming to the end of the process here.
That's right, that's right. This is the cooking part.
So you've cooked for the royal family and celebrities and sports stars. Do you find any added pressure when cooking for these people?
Not at all.
Not at all?
No, I don't. If you have a recipe to follow and a good technique, it should be the same for everybody. Yeah, yeah.
Chef, we're cooking the fish on the skewers now.
Absolutely.
And what temperature is this at?
Oh, this is hot.
I can feel it.
We're burning coals, cooking it nice and slow to get a good heat in the core temperature. Beautiful caramelization, as you can see. It'll start to caramelize, and we'll keep flipping it. Every 2 to 3 minutes, we'll flip it, so it kind of cooks from both sides, yes. This will take about 12 minutes.
Chef, it looks like we're at the final stage. Can you talk me through what you have here?
Bamboo leaves, sliced lemon, hajikami, pickled ginger stem, yuzu miso sauce, umami, sugar, and sprinkle of sesame seeds.
That's it. A dish fit for a royal.
Yes, yeah.
All your hard work is now in front of us here and it looks absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
Talk me through, what's the best way to eat this?
The best way to eat it is open the leaf, and from there you can just pick the cod with the chopsticks.
It's like opening a present.
Absolutely, yeah.
Let's try this. That's absolutely gorgeous.
Yes,
again.
I will. Thank you.
You've earned it.
Well,
It tastes so nice though.
you're tasting wheat, umami, and a little bit of alcohol from the sake and the mirin. And then to finish off, they would eat the hajikami to go on to the
Clean
next
the palate.
dish. Yes, correct. That's correct.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
I can tell by the taste of that why lots of the high-profile people keep coming back to this restaurant. It's absolutely amazing. I don't have any royal blood in me, but I can definitely tell you that tastes amazing.